Hey everyone, welcome back to today's video. This is Kendall Johnson, and on the screen here you see a picture of my YouTube channel. For those of you who haven't seen any of my previous videos, make sure you go to my channel and check out the other videos. The one that you're currently watching is part 27 of the Crazy Cash mail order system, and we're talking about how to make money from home mailing postcards. So go ahead, check the other videos. Now also, if you click on the link below this video in the comment section, you'll find a link to my website. And if you do that, you come here, you'll see a sample I put there of the postcard that I'm currently using. And there'll be a video, and you can also go down to the bottom and click on this link right here in order to open up the flyer. If you haven't seen the flyer yet, this is what the flyer looks like that I'm using for all of these videos, as well as the postcard. Okay, if you want to see that flyer, you can go there. So let's get to the videos. So if you saw the recent video, I had a sale yesterday in the Crazy Cash system. So I've had 3 so far in the past 4 or 5 days. So today is another sale. And this was unexpected. This came in without any warning. So what I have on the screen here is a screenshot from my cell phone, because I kind of wanted to show you how cool it looks when you have your email tied to your cell phone and you can get notifications like this if you're using a mailbox at the UPS store whenever you have a package. So in this case, I have a package which I'm about to show you in a second. And you can see here the message earlier today. Today's Tuesday, May 9th. It said, you received 1 package on 5/9/2023. Your packages are available for pickup now. Thank you. So I basically just ran over there to go pick them up. So let's go ahead and let me tell you the funny story about how this happened. So first of all, here is the envelope that I received. Normally I get the priority mail envelopes, but for whatever reason, today I didn't get one. And instead I got one of these regular manila envelopes. It's like I think 8.5 by 11, maybe like a 9 by 12, something like that. So anyway, as you can see, it's made out to me, just covering up the return information. Now you see how on the side of the package here, I started tearing it up. So the reason why I started tearing it up is because I've never received an order before in this size of an envelope. So I was thinking that when I saw this large envelope, this was probably not an order and this was just going to be some advertisement that was coming from some other place. So as I was walking back to the car, I started chipping away at the envelope because I was trying to open it to just see what it was, because I wasn't convinced that it was an order. So I wasn't waiting to make a video. So then I open up this little hole and I peek inside there. And what do you think I see? I see my postcard. And when I saw my postcard inside, I pretty much figured, well, I could see that there was a money order inside as well. So I said, hey, you know, what a surprise. They definitely tricked me with that, because I could have sworn that this was not an order. All right, so now I got that open. Let's go ahead and take out what's inside. So I can see the mailing label. I'm going to cover the person's name. Here's the postcard. And if you've seen the previous videos, you know this is the postcard. Okay. And inside, we have a money order. And the money order is $450. Okay. Made out to me. Cover up the serial number slightly for those of you who haven't seen much of the payment proofs of the past. And basically, just like I said yesterday in the other video, what I do after I receive the money order is I will send the $100 over to the admin of the company who fulfills the product to my customer. And then basically my job is done. I have the other $350 remaining. And that's pretty good for this week so far. Starting from Friday last week, I think this is order number 4. And the really interesting thing is that this is the 3rd postcard order that I received back to back. Saturday, Monday, and now Tuesday. I have 3 orders from the postcard. So it's pretty crazy. I accidentally showed the postcard on camera, so I had to probably edit out a little piece of it because I had the customer information there. But anyway, you know, so this here is just one lesson that I'm learning right now. My sponsor in this program, his name is Kevin. Kevin told me that when you mail out flyers or postcards, sometimes people hold on to those flyers and postcards for extended periods of time. He had an order recently that came from someone that got the postcard or flyer like over a year ago. So we don't really do this for, you know, making sales a year down the road. But it's just one of those things that I'm starting to learn now. It happens more than you would imagine. I know that this postcard was sent out probably like almost 2 months ago. All right, because that's when I bought this mailing list, was on March 6th. And here we are just now. I've had 3 sales back to back from the postcards I sent out in March. So not what I was expecting, but really happy to see that all of a sudden now there's these orders coming in, and you know, the money just adds up. That's the reason why I joined this program, $350 per sale. So basically all you need is a mailing list that's really good. You need a decent offer that's proven to convert in order to make money mailing postcards or make money mailing flyers. So if you don't already have a good mailing list, I suggest you do some research, possibly. In my case, I did my own research. I asked around, and I also basically spent a good amount of money testing what works. Now, since I spent so much money testing what works, I don't just tell people what mailing list provider I'm using on my videos, because it cost me quite a bit of money to get to that point. So if you're somebody who's not interested in joining this program because you're already promoting something else, but you are interested in finding out on what some good mailing list resources are, I charge a one-time $200 training fee for me to work with you one-on-one and to give you all of my resources, where I get all my materials from at discount prices, as well as where I get my names from, including the names that I got from this mailing list and every other sale that you've seen here on the channel. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Hopefully we'll have some more sales this week. If not, we'll come back with another video whenever the next sale comes in. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.